It wasn't AI that tainted Star Wars. It wasn't AI that gutted Star Trek, sterilized the MCU, sucked the joy out of gaming, or replaced sex appeal with scolding lectures. It wasn't AI that turned entertainment into therapy. That took beloved stories and smeared them in smug, soulless propaganda. That was humans. Humans who traded beauty for guilt, wonder for doctrine, craft for ideology. Humans who injected moral abuse disguised as progressive virtue. Who turned characters into avatars of self-flagellation and called it growth. Who taught a generation that empowerment meant erasing the feminine instead of celebrating it. So when AI arrives, cold, efficient, uncaring about Twitter tantrums, and begins offering alternatives, understand this. It's not replacing a golden age. It's stepping in where others failed. AI did not cause the collapse. It responded to it. This is why AI's rise will not be a fluke. It will be a reckoning. Not because the tech is perfect, not because every output is divine, but because AI doesn't hate its audience. It doesn't moralize. It doesn't punish curiosity, sensuality, or imagination. It just builds what is asked. And more than that, it allows new kinds of coordination